What we have on the block today is OTR carry. All right, here it is. These are made by the Hillman Group, which is a long-standing American company known for supplying hardware and home improvement products, which I believe is Lowe's. I haven't completely checked in on that, but what some reading I found said that these are available in Lowe's. I haven't seen them at my local Lowe's, but here they are. OTR stands for Over the Rhine. It has to deal with Cincinnati, where this product comes from. Now, this knife comes in at about $49. It's a pretty decent size with a blade length of 3.15 inches and a blade thickness of just about 1/10 of an inch. The blade length itself is about just a little over 4 inches, and the handle thickness is just under 1/2 an inch. The blade material is for CR18 MOV, which is not a very expensive blade, but what do you expect for $49? It's not a bad little knife. Blade's a little thin. Some jimping there. Choil. Feels pretty good in the hand. I am not really a big fan of button locks, but ambidextrous thumb studs here on each side for you lefties. I also got this little mini pry tool here, little mini pry bar for your keychain. I think this was about $7 or $8. So there you have it, guys. OTR, based out of Cincinnati, and they're everyday carry. They do have several other products. They do have a nicer knife, a titanium knife that's about $200, and then they have this knife in a mini as well. But with these hands, I am not a mini knife guy. So there you have it. OTR. If you like this video, like, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment below. Thanks for joining us.